Good afternoon. I'm very pleased to be able to be here today to talk to you about conference planning and management. We are a pretty unique department, and one of the things that is unique about us is that we work with such a broad range of events. In your materials, you have a handout. I'm not going to walk through this now, but just as a reference, you have this with lots of details about what we do and what you can get from our office. But more importantly, I wanted to tell you what our goals are and what we're here to accomplish. We are, as part of the outreach arm of the university, we facilitate outreach through external groups, working with them, partnering with them to help showcase the programs, staff, services of Iowa State University, and then also to support you, to support the staff, the faculty, the students of Iowa State University in their outreach efforts. So first of all, how many of you are from Iowa or have lived in Iowa for the last several years? So most of the group. So you already probably have been involved with or know about an event that we have provided support to. So whether it's been the fact that you may have heard, whether it's been the fact that you're familiar with the Waves of Blue from FFA that we worked with this past year to help partner with the College of Ag and Life Sciences to bring FFA back to Iowa State's campus and bring those 5,000 youth to this campus, or whether you're familiar with Iowa Games and maybe perhaps a team or your child may have participated in Iowa Games. Our office coordinates that for the university to help coordinate all those services so that Ames has been home to the Iowa Games for a large number of years. So those are some of the ways that we work with external groups to help make sure that there is a presence and a place for them with Iowa State. We also partner then with other groups as well, such as we work with departments on campus and Intrans to partner with the DOT to provide work zone safety workshops which go out into all of your counties so that there's training there available for them with the expertise of campus at their doorstep. We partner with extension departments such as Iowa State University's CIRS department, where we go around the state and help provide outreach by putting the wheels on the carts for their activities so they can focus on those relationships, the content, those pieces of the event while we work on the logistics. And that's really what our office is all about. If you're looking at our brochure, you might think, gosh, you know, you mentioned registration, but so did Rick. And Deb's going to talk to you about information technology, and Steve's going to talk to you about graphic and visual services. And yes, all those services you can access individually. But if you have a need to have lots of services and have someone really focus on how to bring those players together and the execution of all those logistics, that's where our office can come to assist you. Sometimes you just don't have those resources in your department to do it. Sometimes you don't want to think about how I'm going to build an event in an atrium or build an event in a hoop building with no infrastructure, which is what we did at the Farm Progress Show when we started working with that, including acquiring a hoop building and acquiring gravel and all of those pieces. Those are the things that we can work to partner with you to help make happen. So our goals are to expand what you have for resources available immediately to you and help leverage those partnerships and bring more to make that a better opportunity for you to focus on the relationships and the content that you're doing while we put those wheels on the cart for you. So that's a little bit about our office. In addition to that, the other things I'd like to tell you are that the range of the events are huge. We do events anywhere from an elite group of 15 to 15,000. And so if you're thinking, gosh, I'm not sure where we can do it, we've done international events here locally. We also do events in Des Moines and all over the county. We've actually been in most of the counties in Iowa. We've also done events in California, DC, Texas, and actually last year in Peru. So there's a broad range of where we can go. So the biggest thing to remember from today is, one, call us if you have questions. Even if you don't think you need our services, but you want to bounce something off or just talk about the opportunities, give us a call, and we would be happy to meet with you, partner with you, consult, and figure out what your needs are, help look at the risk issues, the purchasing issues, the youth policy issues, whatever the case might be, to help make sure you've got those resources available. And then we'll build a custom plan for you based on what your resources are. You may have a graphic designer in your unit and not need graphic services. You may have your own tech team, as when we did some meetings with information technology. Floyd Davenport, their former department chair, was the chair of the conference. He did not need those resources. So what we do is we build a plan and support for you to complement the resources you already have available. In addition to that, the other thing is we like to have fun. So if you don't want to have fun, don't call us. But we like to have fun.